when a damaged connector or faulty outlet threatens productivity. Experience uninterrupted power flow and seamless business operations with Transtector's new line of IEC Power Connectors, Power Entry Modules, and Power Distribution Units designed to quickly restore your power connection with minimal delay. Our new line of IEC Power Connectors come in a range of mounting styles, terminations, and precise IEC types, from C13 to C20, tailored to your exact needs. With our convenient snap-in or flange mount assembly options, our IEC Power Entry Modules offer support in a range of panel design applications, including combinations of mains inlets and outlets, switches, fuse holders, and EMI filtering. For robust power distribution, explore our line of field-tough PDUs featuring 4, 5, and 6 outlets with shuttered outlet protection and integral EMI filtering. Keep your operations connected with the latest in innovations, all ready for same-day shipping. Visit Transtector.com to discover our complete range of products. Transtector, keeping your power online.